through this. Never gonna let you close to me. Ito. Tulog na po tayo, may work pa. Sige, last song na to. You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I've seen this all before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you need the most of me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I made the most of you. In case you go and leave me in the dark. But every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker the tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad but it's true, I'm way too good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. Even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dark. But every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker the tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad but it's true, I'm way too good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. The way that you see me cry. I'm way too good at goodbyes. No, 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 no. Medyo paos, kakagaling ko lang. Less that I cry, leave me the quicker the tears dry. See you sa Friday sa Ateneo, guys. So mag-end live na din ako kasi gabi na din. At may pa kayo. Tsaka gabi na din. Baka mabulabog na natin ang kapitbahay. So yun, ulitin ko lang bago tayo mag-end. Sa mga bago pa lang dito, sa mga bago pa lang parang bago pa lang sa na ACES or ngayon nyo pa lang nakita yung BGYO, you can follow us on our social media accounts, BGYO_PH, tsaka BGYO official sa YouTube namin. Tapos sa May 13, guys, i-release namin ang aming EP. Ang title is BGYO. Pwede nyo na yan i-pre-save, guys. And then, sa March 14 naman, ang aming EP showcase. Gaganapin to sa Hydro Club dito sa QC. So, para sa details, I-follow nyo lang yung BGYO accounts. BGYO_PH. Let's go! See you there, guys. Excited na ako sa mga kaganapan. This week din. Uy, thank you sa Galaxy. Oh my God. Kung ano man yan. Thank you so much sa Galaxy. Ayun, thank you guys sa sa pagtambay, sa pagdaan sa stream ko, sa live ko ngayong gabi. Thank you sa mga thank you sa mga mga nanood, mga nagstay, sa mga nagpuyat. Thank you sa mga nagsend ng gifts. Matulog na kayo guys, may pasok pa kayo bukas. Ayokong maging dahilan ng pagka-late nyo or pagkapuyat nyo. Yun lang guys, good night, thank you so much. Update na lang namin kayo ulit. Ako, kung kailan ulit ako magla-live or kung sino man. Sumali lang kayo sa broadcast channel namin ng BGYO sa IG para makita nyo yung mga updates doon. Yes. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Okay na to. Good night.